Hi my dear students, welcome to the another session of social science. As you already know, in the previous class I taught you different points from the unit 3 prehistoric society. In that you have learnt about the three stages of history: prehistoric period, protohistoric period and historic period. After that you have learnt about the origin of human being and development of human being, how human being developed step by step. After that, stages of prehistoric society. In this point you have learnt about the three ages of or three stages of prehistoric society. Those are Paleolithic age, Neolithic age and Mesolithic age. These three you have learnt in this stages of prehistoric society. Today I am going to teach you the next point, that is metal age. So in the evolution of human being, evolution means slow development of living organism. Here human being developed slowly, step by step. In that way he learned the use of metals. So in the beginning, it means in this evolution, in the end of the Neolithic age, he learned the use of metal. So the first metal used by human being, that is copper. Later, by mixing tin and copper, he learned to use another one metal, that is bronze. So bronze is very alloy and harder metal. It means alloy means mixed ಅಥವಾ ಮಿಶ್ರವಾಗಿರೋದು, ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಮೆಟಲನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬ್ರಾಂಜ್ ಮೆಟಲ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲಾಯ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾಪರ್ is the first metal used by human being. Firstly he used copper. So that here first stage, here in the metal age there are two ages. This is divided into two ages according to use of metals. Firstly he learnt use of copper and bronze, so that age is mentioned as copper and bronze age. So here stone age also is there. Why? Because copper and stone, these were very hard to use, and in the beginning they used very less. Instead of these two metals, he continued using of stone tools only, because these were little bit harder for them to use. So that along with copper and bronze, more they used or continued use of stone tools. So that this age is called copper and bronze stone age. This age existed 5000 years ago. The different points from this age, copper and bronze stone age. Here are they. Firstly, occupation. The people of copper and bronze stone age people occupation, major occupation was agriculture and cattle rearing. As you already know, he learned the agriculture or growing of crop and rearing animals, animal husbandry. He began in the Neolithic age only because of lack of food, because he was that human being, he was not getting continuously food, so that he started to grow the crops. So that here in the copper and bronze and stone age, bronze stone age, in this age also his major occupation was agriculture and also cattle rearing, means rearing the animals. And here designed pots manufactured using wheel. I told you in the Neolithic age itself he learned the use of wheel, and that he continued, and in this period he made different designed pots. In the Neolithic age also he learnt making the pot to store the crops. Here also he continued that, but little bit he has improved in making of pot. Next here, copper implements and jewelries are used. In this period or in this age, copper and bronze stone age, human being started to use copper implements. ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಪರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳು and jewelries also. He started to use the jewelries. Now present now we are using gold jewelry or using other metal, black metal like this. We are using different metals, silver jewelry. Now present we are using like that. Firstly human being started to use jewelries made of copper. Means copper it was used to make implements, it means samagrigalu and jewelries. One more metal, that is bronze. Here bronze also used to make implements ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. So which implements? These implements majorly these are used in cultivation. Cultivation means in agriculture. For the deep cultivation they used these bronze implements, and also to clear the forest land, because these human being in this period human being they have cleared the forest land. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. So they by using these bronze implements they cleared the forest and used for agriculture. So that here in the agriculture field they started to get more yielding. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಫಸಲನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಬೈ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬ್ರಾಂಜ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆವಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಫಸಲು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಯಿತು. ಎಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಫಸಲು. ಸೊ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ agriculture. And here they have learnt one more thing, excess food transported. It means what they are doing agriculture, what they are growing crops, those they were using excess food. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸನ್ನು ತಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, if we have excess food or excess crops, so we give to others. Of course here also human beings started to transport for the needy places. From here human beings started trade. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಈ ಪೀರಿಯಡಿಂದ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ತನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ civilization start ಆಯಿತು. From here civilizations, for example Harappan civilization on the bank of Sindhu river and its tributaries, they started to transport the excess food. From here the trade started in the human being life. So that next is in Harappan civilization, after this the transport when it started for crops, from then Harappan civilization could arise. From there Harappan civilization also started because of this trade relationship. And also here urbanization started. This is the first step for urbanization, because nowadays urbanization we can see all over the world. Like that the transport of food, it was the first step in the human being life in the urbanization. And also here the places, evidences of bronze and copper stone age evidences are found, historians found the evidences in these places. For example, Halluru, Banahalli and Brahmagiri and many other places in the Karnataka, especially in the Karnataka, these copper and bronze stone age evidences historians found. So this is about the copper and bronze stone age. So in the next class, let's discuss another one age or stage in the metal age, that is iron stone age. Let's discuss in the next class. So thank you so much.